everyone, good morning. So, don't let our learnings become knowledge, lead to knowledge. When we allow that our learnings become knowledge, that was the time we became full. Why? Because we didn't take action. We didn't apply what we learned. And the best ratio of that is when you have learnings, taken actions. When you had a couple of ideas, taken actions. When you have a good idea, taken actions. When you take an actions, that was the time that you apply what you have learned. And that is very important because when we lead our learnings become knowledge, we wind up like broke and miserable. And it's hard because our knowledge, our learning stuck on that. The best way, the best ratio of that, we have to apply it. We have to take actions on that learnings so that we see if it's workable, if it's doable, it is applicable. And that is very important. When we learn something, if it is workable in our life, we become smart, we become reliable. When we apply what we learn, we take actions on what we learn, and that is the most important, because it's useless when you're learning still a knowledge that you can't apply. It's totally discouragement for us not to get what the good result, what we want based on the learnings that we have, because we don't apply it. And the reality right now, that's happened. We stuck on the learnings that we have lead to knowledge. That's why it's not a smarter way. And para masukat natin kung maganda, applicable yun, take an actions of that learnings. Don't allow yourself that it's stuck only as knowledge on yourself. Apply it. Thank you everyone, and God bless.